Once again, welcome. My name is Mr. E. Chirea. Today, our topic of discussion or our topic is called quadratic equations. I remember when I was in grade 12, one of my friends or my friends used to say, you know, Chirea, I think in the exam I've got 5 marks. Now I was like, what do you mean 5 marks? Then I was like, you see that one can be a quadratic equation. I was saying, for sure, because each and every year it comes. You can't get a zero mathematics. Now, listen the way we can solve, because each and every equation comes in different form there and there, but you must follow the steps as I solve. So, we can see, if you try to see here very well, we are saying quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, I always say that each and every topic, in each and every topic, there is what we call formulas. The formula can be used in calculus, but the formula can be used in solving quadratic expression. So the formula for solving quadratic expression is called x is equal to negative b positive or negative a root of b squared over ab over 4ac over 2a. So what do they mean now? We say, what do they mean? That is a formula for solving, but the situation where they have delivered that formula. Now, as for now, we can't do that, but you can just don't master it in short, just know it. So, now, as you can see, I've got examples. They're saying solve the following equation. Now, someone can ask, but why is it was saying, why was he writing 2016, 2017, 2018? This 2016, 2017, I mean, it means this question, I get it from the past paper exam, which is 2016 paper 2, 2017 paper 2, and the 2018 paper 2. It is so, I'll solve. Follow me as I solve step by step, step by step. Now, listen. So, we are saying example number one, A. So, this formula is derived from this equation, or this derived from the formula called ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is a proper arrangement. This is what? A proper what? Arrangement. A proper what? Arrangement. So let me write it very well. I'm saying ax squared plus bx plus, which is plus c is equal to 0. So as you can see now, let us get equation number 1. We're saying number 1, so the question is x squared plus 2x is equal to 7. Now listen, as you can see, this equation, first of all, you must see, is this equation in order or not in order? So if you try to see this equation, it is not what? In order. So first arrange it. So we say x squared, it's okay, yes, plus 2x. So since this is a positive number, positive 7, when it cosine cosine, it becomes a positive. So say negative 7 is equal to what? To 0. Now, when you reach there now, the way it is, we can use factorization method, we can solve. But then question number, you can't factorize, it can be solved. But this question, it came in paper 2. So to be specific, use quadratic or complete square method. So now we say solve using quadratic what? Equation. So quadratic equation, the equation which is, we say x is equal to negative b positive or negative the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we say x is equal to, so now before I say that, we need to identify which one is our a. So as you can see, we say our a. So which one is our a? Is 1. Where is our b? Our b is what? Is 2. Where is our c? Our c, it is negative 7. It is. So now you can use these numbers to represent or to replace in the what? In the formula. So I'm saying x is equal to, what is our a, which is what is our b? Our b, so it is what? It is 2. So it will be 2 positive or negative the root of, what is our b? It is 2 squared minus 4. What is our a? Which is 1. Multiply, what is our c? Which is negative 7 over 2 times 1. So we are saying x is equal to negative 2 positive or negative. What is the root? What is 2 times 2? Which is 4. So we say the root of, we say in the root we say 2 times 2, which is 4, minus. So now here you can see minus because we say we multiply all these numbers together. So say negative 4 multiplied by what? By 1 way. By 1 multiplied by negative 7. So we say when you multiply 2 times, so say negative times negative is positive. So when you multiply 2 times 4, which is 14. So we say 4 multiplied by 7, which is 28 over 2. So as you can see now here, we say, we bring down, we say again, negative 2, positive or negative, we say the root. So what is 4 plus 28, which is 32? So we say 32 over 2. Now here, the way it is, we need to find what is the square root of 32. So now if you want, we can separate this. We can say x is equal to negative 2. You find two answers, plus the root. The root of what? Of 32 over 2. Or we say x is equal to negative 2 to be minus the root of 32 over 2. So it is. So you can use a calculator now here. The way it is, it's not a taboo or it is not a crime to use a calculator. So let me use a calculator. So we say what's the root of negative? The root of 32, not negative 32, which is 32, which is giving me, we say is equal to, which is giving me negative 2 plus the root. It is 5.65 over 2. So I'll just say negative 2 plus 5.65, which is 3.63. So we divide by 2. So we say divide by 2. So we are saying our x first value, it is 1.825. So during the exam they specify, leave it in how many decimal places, leave it either in 2 or 3. Sometimes you can follow instruction a part of the exam. So as you can see now here, again here we continue same. X is equal to the root, should say negative 2 minus the root, which is 5.65 over, this is the bus, we say it's 2 here, so here over 2. So we say x is equal to, so what is negative 2 minus 5.65? It is giving us negative 6.65. So we divide by 2. So which is negative, which is equal to negative 3.825. So this it is a solution. So during the exam they will mark, because this is the answer, this is the answer. So this one is negative, this one is positive, but it's not always that they should be positive and negative. Sometimes you can find they're both negative, sometimes you can find they're both positive. But the situation whereby when I was at tertiary education, we can know just from, we can tell this one will be positive or this one, all answers will be positive or they will be negative. No, that is a story of another day. So I can erase this to solve which is 2017 paper 2 question exam. So we say 2017 paper 2 question exam, which is saying 3z squared is equal to 7 z minus 1. So if you try to see here, is this arrangement proper? Is it proper arranged? Ushe, if you feel to feel more, ushe even to very more that chitonga, I don't know, can mistake and say, okay. So the way it is, this thing are not in order. Must correct, as you can see, the first one must be, you must have a square root, a squared. So we say 3z squared, this is the first one. The second one must have what? So we say, so it will cross an equal sign, it will be minus, this is positive 7z. Again, this one to cross an equal sign, which will be plus 1 is equal to what? 0. So it will be equal to what? To 0. So now the way it is, first supposed to observe which one is our A. So here our A, it is 3. Please don't include the 3z. Our B, which is negative, we just get the coefficient in short, which is negative 7. So the coefficient of z is 3. The coefficient of negative 7 it is the coefficient of negative 7 z is negative 7. So our C now, which is will be equal to 1. So now here we can introduce that quadratic expression method or formula. So we are saying negative b positive negative the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So negative b, be careful. Now that's where people get it wrong. I've seen one of the best students at our school got it wrong. Why? He was very fast. He never see what was coming that hit him. He was surprised. So now now see where he failed. So which is negative. Here it is b, so negative 7. Be careful. So we say negative 7. Be careful. This is dangerous if you are too fast. So negative over. So b again, say negative 7 squared minus 4 times, what is our A? Our H is 3. What is our C? Is 1. Over 2. We multiply by, what is our A? Our A is 3. Okay? So, now what can you do now? So we say negative, this negative here, negative, from this negative came from the formula, but this b, it had a negative, which is negative 7. So negative times negative, it is positive. So these two are cancelled. So if you are not careful, that's where our brain shaker failed, made a mistake. So we say 7 positive or negative the root of. So again, you can use a calculator here, not get mistaken. I want to see there's something that I want to check up. There's something I want to check up to see, okay. Okay, it's okay. So we say negative 7 times negative 7, which is 49. Let me see. You can make a mistake. You don't want errors, people. Don't want errors. Which is 49. Yes, it's true. It's 49. So now here, see. So we say negative 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. So it will be negative. So it is 4 times 3 times 1, which is 12. Over 6. So, what is 49 minus 12? Let's go back to junior. So, 2 minus 9, which is 7 here, which is 37. So, now we are saying 7 positive or negative, the root of what? The root of what? Of 37 over 6. So now we say x will be equal to 7 plus the root of 37 over 6. Or we say x is equal to 7 minus the root of 37 over 6. So, what's the root? What's the root of 37, please? So, say root of 37, which is x is equal to, which is 7 plus 6.08, okay, over 6. Here we say again x, which is 7 minus 6.08, okay, over 6. So x is equal to, and here, so we say x is equal to. So we say, what is 7 plus, we add 7 plus 6.08, we divide to give us 13.08, we divide by 6, short, which is 2.18. Now, try to see again, we say 7 minus 6.08 is equal to, is 0.92. We divide by 6, which is 0.15, is carrying 333. Just recurring, it's okay. You can leave it in 2 decimal place. As in, I've left this one. So, the way it is here, this is our final answer, and this is what it is our final answer. So, as I said earlier on that, you can find the answers in positive, and it's not a taboo, it's not a crime. You don't always find it in negative, but as you can see, you have got positive answers. So, this now, the last question, 2018, this one, please, just from the look of the thing, you can even tell, it is already arranged, please. So, for you to fail, it's a taboo as well. So, I'm not going to solve this one, but what am I going to do so that we see it clearly? So, as you can see, minus 4x minus 2. It is already arranged, as you can see. It is in order. First step, observe. Is it in order? It is in order. So when they are, so these people out in 2018, which means these guys were given a free mark because it was in order. They can't even think what to do. They just need to go direct to in solving and calculating. So here our A is 1. Our B is -4. Our C is -2. So the way it is a matter of you applying that method. Mathematics, the simple thing. I say goodbye.